Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to pair your Philips Fidelio L4 with your Android device. You have to start by open settings and now go to connected devices. After that, click pair new device and press and hold this power button to turn on your headphones. Here we go, we can see this LED light, so it means that it's turned on, and now we should see it at the device list. Click on it, and then click pair. We did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!